Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete a group on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete a group on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app, and before you proceed guys, make sure you are administrator of the group which you want to delete, and you can see the group which I had created earlier for a demo purpose over here in your group. Similarly, now in order to proceed to delete your group guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a three dotted icon on this interface. Tap on it and there it says the delete and leave group. Tap on that delete and leave group, and this kind of pop-up box will appear where you can also see the box where it says the delete the group for all members. If you want the group to be deleted for all of the members on the group, tap on the checkbox and tap on the delete group, and with that being done guys, the group on your Telegram will be deleted. And guys, this is how to delete a group on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.